Welcome back to Turning Excel. I'm excited to share the latest employee management system version 1.01. Packed with new features and enhancements to help HR professionals manage employee records more efficiently. In this version, I've added a digital filing cabinet, dynamic employee fields, auto capture photo, document database, employee print form, dashboard, summary per department, and centralized settings, making the system more flexible, organized, and easier to customize for different companies. Before we begin, I'd like to thank everyone who has supported my channel and purchased my Excel VBA systems. Your feedback and suggestions continue to help me improve every new version. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's get started. Unlike traditional Excel VBA systems where field labels are permanently hard-coded, this version automatically reads the column headers from the employee data worksheet. If your company prefers to rename a field, for example, changing last name to surname or department to division, simply edit the corresponding column header in the employee data worksheet. The labels on the employee information form will automatically update without modifying any VBA code. The only exceptions are the employee ID, years in service, and the date fields such as birth date, date hired, and regularization date. These fields remain fixed because they use specialized controls, including automatic ID generation, calculated values, and built-in calendar date pickers. This feature allows companies to customize field names based on their own HR policies and terminology, making the system more flexible without requiring any programming knowledge. Now, let's take a look at one of the biggest new features in version 1.01, the digital filing cabinet. This feature was added based on a suggestion from one of my YouTube viewers in Pennsylvania, who asked if it was possible to attach employee documents directly to the system. Thank you for that great suggestion. To attach a document, first select an employee ID and click the search button. Next, choose the appropriate document type. For this demonstration, I'll select Government IDs forms. Click the Attach New File button. A file selection window will appear. Browse to the location of the document you want to attach. For this example, I'll select a full health ID, then click Open. The document is immediately added to the digital filing cabinet. The list displays the document category, file name, and upload date. The system automatically creates an employee filing cabinet folder if it doesn't already exist. Inside that folder, it automatically creates a subfolder based on the selected document category, such as Government IDs forms. The uploaded file is automatically copied into the appropriate folder and renamed by adding the employee ID at the beginning of the file name. This makes employee documents easy to identify and keeps them well organized. Every attached document is also recorded in the document database worksheet. The information displayed in the digital filing cabinet is exactly the same as the data stored in the worksheet, including the complete file path for easy file management. To open an attached document, simply select it from the list and click the Open Selected File button. The document will automatically open using the default application installed on your computer. If you accidentally attach the wrong document or upload a duplicate file, simply select it from the list and click the Delete Selected Link and File button. The system will remove both the database record and the actual file from the system folder. The digital filing cabinet supports virtually all file formats, including PDF, Microsoft Word, Excel, images, videos, zip files, and many more. There are no restrictions on the file types you can attach. Now, let's take a look at the settings page. In version 1.01, I have centralized all system settings into one worksheet for easier management and customization. The old list worksheet from the previous version has been removed. All drop-down lists are now managed directly from the settings page, making the system more organized and easier to maintain. From column A, you can customize the available document types used by the digital filing cabinet. You can also manage the employment status, gender, marital status, department, and position drop-down lists all from a single location. Any changes you make here are automatically reflected in the employee information form, so there's no need to modify the VBA code. This makes the system more flexible and allows companies to easily customize it based on their own HR policies and organizational structure. I've also included a user manual worksheet to help new users understand how to use the system and its features. That concludes the Employee Management System version 1.01 demonstration. I hope you found this system helpful and useful for managing employee records and documents more efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Excel VBA projects and tutorials. You can also follow my Facebook page, Excel Business Tools, for updates, new releases, and helpful Excel tips. If you'd like to get a copy of this employee management system, please check the links in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless.